Hello, Jack.
Hello, everyone.
Liberty Aiders.
And all the YouTube channelers.
We have some more amazing, more miraculous news. Jay Baba.
Jay Baba, Jesus Christ. We have officially received the first part of our loan, our EDIL loan.
The grant.
The grant.
Right.
Yeah, and it's for small businesses, for the nonprofit.
Right. We have got the 10,000, the first
little bit. The sign-on bonus.
Yeah.
I can prove that to you here.
Prove it here.
So here's proof of the $11,000. Check that out. That's crazy. And proof that it was deposited. 10,000. That's what it looks like when it gets deposited.
All right. Yeah, obviously it's done.
Yeah, so it's pretty amazing. It's happened. And the other great news that we have to share is that our home mortgage has come off all 3 credit reports.